Today we're going to make truly Southern comfort food, and we are making Brunswick stew. I have my chicken in the pot and my water about, I'd say, 3 inches over the chicken, and this is my stock pot. We want to make this a very rich broth. We want it to be very flavorful and very tasty. So we're going to boil our own chicken. Now, yes, you can use chicken broth, and you can buy already rotisserie chicken if you like, but I'm going to teach you today how to make it from scratch. We can use the broth, we can use the chicken, and we're going to make a delicious Southern comfort food. This Brunswick stew is absolutely wonderful. All right, so now that I have it on the stove, we're going to get ready for it to boil. We're going to put in some salt and pepper. I'd say probably 2 teaspoons of pepper. I gotta go find some salt. Probably about 2 teaspoons of, and I'm using kosher salt because I've got to go find the other salt. So we're going to let this chicken cook for maybe 3 hours till the chicken is falling off the bone. And then we're going to come back and take the chicken out, let it cool, and start with our stew. Our chicken is ready. Can you believe it? So I am going to take it out and put it in a bowl and let it cool, and then we're going to debone it. Okay, we are going to let our chicken cool. I just realized I should have just threw this on a sheet pan and let it cool. So we're just going to take it right out. It is fall off the bone ready. Woo! Take a steam bath in here. I'm just going to leave this bowl right here because I'm going to use this bowl. I'm going to set this chicken to the side. Then I'm going to take my broth . I'm going to strain all the broth right in here. So we want a clean broth. Then we're going to pour the rest of the broth . I think we got a little heart in there. Wow. Okay, we have a beautiful broth to make our Brunswick stew. And so this is about 6 cups of broth, and we're going to put it right back in the pot. And we're going to start getting the rest of our ingredients in this pot. Okay, guys, I have a new knife. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I needed a new knife. I didn't want to spend the money, but you guys kept commenting, and I worried you every week with my knife skills. Look at that. Oh my gosh, no effort. But anyway, I think it's a Hinkle's knife. So I got it so you guys didn't have to worry about my horrible knife skills. I even bought a sharpener. Look at that, it's like butter. Okay, we're just going to chop up this onion into kind of like, we don't want big chunks of onion. Woo! The knife doesn't stop that burn. So now we're just going to take our onion and put it right in our pot. Remember, we don't want too big of chunks in there. Ooh, my eyes are burning a little bit. My eyes are burning just a little. Okay, so we have some fresh butter beans. Now you can use 1 can of butter beans or baby lima beans if you like, but we are going to use about a can's worth, so probably about a cup, ever how much a can holds. So I'm just going to measure out this bowl's worth, and so if you want to use a can lima bean, you can, but I am using frozen. These were put up by someone in our town, and they sell them to the grocery store. So we're just going to put these right in our pan. Then the same thing with the corn. You can use a can of corn, but we are going to use this fresh corn that was put up by somebody in our town and sold it to the grocery store. So 1 can of whole kernel corn. Okay, so good, y'all. This is so worth it. Okay, now we need 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Put it right in our pot. Okay, so now we need two potatoes. We're going to kind of dice them up, not very big pieces. Okay. Kind of like little bite-sized pieces. Okay. Just going to stick them in our stew right here. Okay, we are going to put in a tablespoon of minced garlic. And now we need 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, and I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's. So about 1/2 cup of Brunswick for our Brunswick stew. 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Okay. Oh, I can't hardly wait. Okay, we're going to get this on the stove and let it start simmering and cooking those potatoes. Okay, let's get started on our chicken. And we do want to break our chicken up really good. We don't want any skin to be left on our chicken. And you will have some chicken left over. So we need about 2 pounds of shredded chicken. My little doggy is going crazy. She loves this part of any of my meals. Well, if I have chicken, if I'm deboning a chicken, oh my gosh, she just goes crazy. She's gonna get some, believe me. Poor thing. Here. And it don't matter how much I give her, she'll still stay right there and cry for more and more and more. Okay, so we're going to take 1/2 of this chicken and put it in our Brunswick stew. Okay, so I've got a little extra chicken here. I just took it out, and this is about 2 pounds. So you'll need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Y'all hear my little dog? She's had, what, 3 little pieces? All right, we're going to go ahead and put this in our stock pot of goodies. What our stew is looking at, our Brunswick stew. Cooked a little bit of cornbread with my family to go with this Brunswick stew. Wow, my house is smelling really good. Look at that. That chicken, the lima beans, the corn. This is a beautiful, comforting, southern Brunswick stew. The potatoes. That is southern gold right there. Southern gold. Guys, it smells so good. That barbecue sauce, that little bit of vinegar. Oh my gosh. Home sweet home. Wow. Can I eat a big bowl like this? Yes. Am I going to? I don't know. Oh, it's so good. I want to get a little bit of everything, but it's so hot. I want to say thank you guys for coming into my kitchen today, for hanging out with me while I make homemade Brunswick stew. It is so good. It is probably my favorite. I'm just saying, everything's my favorite when I'm making it, but it is absolutely delicious. I just want to say thank you guys. You are the best audience on YouTube. I just want to say thank you so much for your kindness, for watching, for commenting, for liking. You guys are awesome. You guys, please make this Brunswick stew. You're going to love it. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.